So those fruit rolls are great snacks, super easy.
All you got to do is
Mangoes.
puree
I'm
the
gonna make a
mangoes.
mango one because it is kind of my favorite fruit.
Well, this is really loud, though. I mean, we got some
You don't want to do
puree
it?
here. Just show 'em on the puree.
Okay. So then you're gonna puree like this. You're gonna use a baking
A
sheet.
Silpat sheet, right?
Exactly. If you don't have one of those, you don't have to buy it. You can use a parchment paper.
Parchment paper, sure.
Exactly. And you're just gonna spread that in.
Super, super thin.
Yep, super thin, make it a thin layer.
And then what are the little black things? Are these poppy seeds or
So
flax?
those are chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
Yes.
Sprinkle those in.
And you can really have fun with this, guys. Like,
You're just drying out fruit.
that's it. You
Delicious,
make
nutritious.
a little later.
They're adorable.
They really are. And put it in the oven.
Can I try one? Yeah. and
Yes.
Just let it
Try
dry
and
out.
see if you like it.
Okay. I love playing with food.
And when they come out, guys, they come out like this. Aren't they great?
Oh my God, they're delicious.
Yes. Just
A little pizza cutter.
cut them out, strip, roll them out, store it, and you're good to go. Great snacks.
Yum.
So this is very simple. Get a tortilla here.
Spray it with a little olive oil.
Yeah. If you don't have a spray olive oil, just brush it off. It's okay too.
Okay.
Make a nice stack.
Cut them into little chip sizes.
Exactly,
little
whatever
triangles.
size you want to.
Okay.
Just leave those a little bigger
Okay.
for the fun of it.
And then
put it
throw
in a bowl
Throw it in a bowl.
and put,
Oh, onion salty.
yes.
Yum.
Put it in there, some,
A little grated cheese.
Exactly.
I like what you're doing. I like what you're saying.
mix it up. The olive oil is just so the spices can
Stick.
exactly.
Right.
Put it right
Throw
there in a
that on
parchment
there.
paper.
Throw that batch in. Through
Like
the
it
miracle
out.
of television, we have some conveniently done, Camilla.
Yeah, so this is fresh strawberries.
Pop
Add
it in there.
Pop it in there. You're just gonna cook long enough. It just starts to break it up like
So they
this.
start to slump and break down and release all their
Exactly.
juices.
Now, I have a beehive in my home.
Do you really?
Yes, I do.
Are you a beekeeper?
I am.
That's
yes,
awesome.
I am.
Look at you go.
Yes, that's me right there.
I love you. You're so rock star.
That's me getting all honey. So that right there, that's this honey. I brought it for you. You can take
Shut
it home.
up. This is my
Yes.
I love you. Thank you, Camilla.
Can we use a
This
little
is
bit of
awesome.
this?
Yes. I'll put a little drizzle.
So that is from my home to you.
Oh, sweetheart, thank you so much. Beautiful. Beautiful. So you sweeten this just naturally
Just
with
natural,
pure honey.
pure honey.
Let it cook down.
This is
Have
what
it
you
with
do
a
in
little
that.
yogurt.
Strawberry jam. Strawberry honey jam.
Ah.
Super simple and easy.
And you serve it to the kids with yogurt?
Yes, you can
On
do
whole
a yogurt.
grain bread?
Exactly. Do a little
I
spread.
told you, she is the bomb in the kitchen. She's awesome.